Guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now in this particular tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can create an hollow text for your design. Now I don't want this video to be too long, so let's just go straight to the business of the day. So I'll come here, click on text, then bring this here, increase the size, change the text, the font to extra bold, Montserrat extra bold. Alright, so I have this here. What I'll be doing now, I will copy this, leave this one here, click on this one, this other one, then come to color, click on this plus icon, then drag this button here, drag it here. When you drag it here, click on the OK. So you're definitely going to have something like this. So what you're going to do is come to stroke, then you add your stroke to it. So this is it. Then you just give it any color you want. Alright, so this is what you're going to have. Then you can just come to, oh boy, so you can as well change it to a gradient. Let me just come to my color, the stroke option. So you can also change it to a color, but it cannot work if you change it to a stroke. But let's just leave it this way. So we can just come to this one, and let's just stick with this one first. Let's make sure it's at the center. Also this one, come here and make sure it's at the center. I want this one to be at the back. Alright, so then I have a picture which is here, this guy here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to bring it towards this middle here. Now see this effect on this guy. You just look at him. Now let me just change this text, this one at the back, to black, so you will see the effect clearly. Now this is what we're having. So this is how you create this kind of effects. So that's all for this tutorial. If you've noticed, I've been posting this video, I've been bringing it on. This place I am is very noisy. Alright, so that's everything for this tutorial. Even though so this is how you can achieve this kind of effects. You can put men behind text. Alright, so that's all. We'll see you in the next video.